Okay guys, are you here to learn about how to find the reversal in trading? You want to find out what is the magical candle formation? You're in the right place. Let's find it together. I'm going to explain this magical candle formation in this H1 chart from left side to the right side. Each candle formation has two candles consisting of two candles. And you can see how magically this is reversing. First one here. But of course this has to be in some kind of point of interest, meaning in the when it is taking the liquidity or when it is retesting order block or when it is going to fair value gap or in the imbalance. It will be more applicable in this kind of point of interest, but you can also go and backtest it in your chart and you will see the magic of this candle, two candle formation for reversal. And it's gonna work really above 80% of the time, or even 100%. You can backtest it and find it together, and still here you can see these two candles. When it's going to reverse to the upside, this bullish candle, these two candles here, there are two bearish candles, but the second one should engulf the previous one. So the color of the first candle doesn't matter, can be green or red, but second candle color has to be red and engulfing the previous one when you want this to be reversed to the upside. And see, after this formation, price is going to the upside. Here, second example. This is the opposite side. It means we want the price to see it is reversing to the downside. So second candle should be green, but the previous one doesn't matter. The color can be green or red. And the second candle has to engulf the first candle. By engulfing, I mean the high and low of the second candle has to be outside the bar for the first candle. So the high of the second candle above the high of the first one, and the low of the second candle below the low of the first candle. So you can see after such magical formation, price is pushing to the downside. Again here, another example. So I'm just elaborating this magical formation by giving you multiple examples in a row to see how this is happening all the time whenever price wants to reverse. So this is the key to find the price is reversing in trading. Here, another example. The second bearish red candle engulfing the first one. And then after that, what's happening? Magically, price is pushing to the upside. Always such formation consists of two candles. Second one engulfing the first one. When going to the reversing to the upside, the second candle should be red engulfing the first one. Here, it's reversing to the downside. So this reversal, bullish second one, green, engulfing first one. Isn't it magical? How this price is giving the same formation and see what's happening after that. Coming down, taking all these lows. By seeing such formation, you can have advanced clue. And then you can use your own strategy hand in hand with such formation to help you accurately identify market moves. Another example. Here, again, after this pullback, price wants to push back to the downside. So it's giving same formation. Second candle green, engulfing the previous candle. After that price little bit going upside. So manipulation is happening, then pushing to the downside. Isn't it amazing? Next example here. After this green candle engulfing previous one, price is going to the downside. And then this is the last example here. If you go through the chart, you may find more examples. But we just identified these like 10 formations to prove it to you how to find reversal in a trading market. And this is a magical formation. Again, this bullish second one engulfing the previous one. Market pushing to the downside. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Share it and like it for more interesting stuff to come.